What if everything you've ever known, every galaxy, planet, and particle exists, not in open space, but inside a black hole? It sounds like science fiction, but some of today's most advanced physicists believe it might actually be true. This theory could change how we understand the Big Bang, the structure of reality, and the fate of the universe. Welcome to Hidden Frontiers. And today we're diving into the mind-bending possibility that our universe is inside a black hole. A black hole forms when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. The result? A region in space so dense that its gravity traps everything, even light. The surface of no return is called the event horizon, and beyond that, space and time are twisted into something we can barely comprehend. Inside a black hole, the laws of physics as we know them break down in another universe. In 2010, theoretical physicist Nikodem Popovsky proposed a stunning idea. The Big Bang may have been the formation of a black hole. In other words, our universe could be the inside of a black hole. Not a metaphor, not a model. A real black hole that formed an apparent universe. To understand this, we need to go back to the beginning of black hole theory. In 1916, Karl Schwarzschild used Einstein's equations to describe the geometry of a black hole before we even knew they existed. In the 1970s, Stephen Hawking added quantum mechanics into the mix and showed that black holes might emit radiation and slowly evaporate. But there's always been a problem. What happens inside a black hole? General relativity says the core collapses to an infinite Poincare singularity, but quantum physics says infinities don't exist. This is where the black hole universe theory enters. That's exactly what we observe from the Big Bang. When a black hole forms, all the collapsing matter could create not just a singularity, but a bounce, a sudden expansion of space. From inside that bubble, you wouldn't see a black hole. You'd see an expanding universe. Sound familiar? So, what if our universe is the inside of a black hole? If this theory is correct, the structure of the cosmic microwave background might contain evidence. Tiny irregularities that hint at space being curved by the shell of a black hole. Some researchers also believe that quantum gravity theories like loop quantum cosmology may one day reveal black holes as portals to new universes. But right now, it's nearly impossible to test. The math is sound, but we may never observe it directly. It's recursive, fractal, endless. If we are inside a black hole, it could explain why our universe started with such low entropy, why it appears so flat and uniform, may have discovered ways to influence or code the universe before the event horizon formed, and why it continues to expand. It could even suggest that every black hole creates a new universe, making our cosmos one of potentially infinite baby universes born from collapsing stars. If true, the universe isn't just strange. Could anything ever escape our universe's event? Should anything escape a universe like ours? Probably not. But some theorists believe that if an advanced civilization existed in a parent universe, they might have been able to program the laws of physics before the black hole formed. That idea, though speculative, suggests something remarkable, that it might one day be possible to create new universes on purpose. Maybe not today, maybe not in this universe, but the future is deeper than we think. Horizon? Probably not. But some scientists speculate that advanced civilizations, if they ever existed inside other black hole universes, it's a mind-bending idea, like programming physics itself. For now, it's science fiction, but maybe not forever. So are we living inside a giant black hole? We can't say for sure, but one thing's certain. The deeper we look into space, the more it seems to look back. Thanks for watching Hidden Frontiers. Subscribe to explore more of the universe's biggest questions with us.